All right, so let me show you how to disable the front screen on the DJI Action 5 Pro. So this is going to take two settings. So the first thing you're going to do is swipe down to the main menu and then tap on settings. Now under settings, you want to look at the single screen preview option. First of all, go ahead and enable that. All right. Now with that enabled, you'll notice in the front screen, it shows the always on display. Now you want to go ahead and turn off the always on display. So you can swipe down again, go to settings, and then scroll down to always on display. Tap on that. And then you can now disable the always on display for the front screen. You can see. And then, of course, if you want to, you can turn off the always on display for both screens. But I still want it for my main display. And as you can see, the front screen is now disabled. Unless you turn, it's now turned off. All right. So now you can record, and whatever you do, nothing shows up on the front screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.